In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress site using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete backup of your website, safely stored away for future use. So, let's dive right into it. To start off, you'll want to install and activate a powerful tool known as the all-in-one WP migration plugin, which you'll find in the plugins section within your WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and log into your WordPress account and navigate to the dashboard. Once there, look to your left-hand sidebar and you'll see a section titled Plugins. Click on that, then choose Add New. In the search bar, type in All-in-One WP Migration and press Enter. When you see the plugin appear, click on Install Now. Give it a few moments to install. Once that's done, don't forget to click Activate. Your plugin is now ready to get to work. Next, you'll want to locate the All-in-One WP Migration option in your WordPress sidebar. Clicking on this will present you with several options, but for our purposes today, we are focused on Export. Selecting Export will initiate the process of backing up your site. Now, direct your attention to the Export To button. Click this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select File. This tells the plugin to package your site in a format that can be downloaded directly to your computer. As the plugin begins to process your request, it will gather all the essential parts of your site, including the database, media, plugins, and themes. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size and complexity of your site, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Once the export process is complete, a download button will appear on your screen for the .upress backup file. Now, it's time to download that file. Click the download button and make sure to save this .upress file securely to your computer or any other reliable backup location. It's important to store this file in a safe place because it contains a complete copy of your site. You can use it to restore your site in emergencies or even migrate to a new host without any hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your WordPress site using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. With a secure backup of your entire site, you can rest a little easier knowing your hard work is protected. Remember, regular backups are a crucial part of website maintenance. Thanks for joining me today. Happy blogging, and until next time, take care.